Hi, everybody. KJ here with you, and we've been talking about the winter aspects of this big storm, but now let's talk about the warmer aspects of the storm and the severe weather possibilities as we head into Sunday. Looks like we're going to see a chance for some more severe weather as we get into Sunday, similar to what we saw last weekend. Maybe not quite as intense or quite as widespread, but we're looking at some of the same areas. I'm talking about Louisiana, Arkansas, and western parts of Mississippi. This is the HRRR computer model, and it is showing these areas of showers and storms. Try to increase some. Now here we are, first thing in the morning. Not a whole lot going on. You got a lot of heavy precipitation, ice storm, and snowstorm north of these areas. But then as you put this into motion, notice you got a line of thunderstorms developing along the cold front there in Arkansas and into northwestern parts of Louisiana. And we'll also have to keep an eye on these little cellular looking um, uh, perhaps storms trying to develop out ahead of that line. There's a chance and a low end chance that there could be maybe a couple of supercells that may try to develop ahead of the line itself. And there's going to be enough moisture and probably enough instability, just enough instability to get those thunderstorms over there. And there's also some strong winds in the lower parts of the atmosphere over here into especially northwest Mississippi, southeast Arkansas, northeast Louisiana, where if you do happen to get a rogue thunderstorm or a couple of these cellular type thunderstorms out ahead of that main line, they could have a chance to produce a couple tornadoes. And then within the line itself, there could be what we call some little spin ups that may also develop in that. I don't think that there's going to be a big tornado outbreak with this. But again, there could be a couple tornadoes with any little discrete storms that develop ahead of the line, and then maybe a little spin up or two in the line itself. Here we are late tomorrow afternoon around the 5, 6 o'clock, that thunderstorm area crossing through northern and western parts of Mississippi. And again, within the line, gusty winds and maybe a brief spin up or two. I don't think this will be as widespread as what we saw last week, but again, we'll keep an eye on that for you. Probably see some tornado watches issued, I would think. Tomorrow evening as these thunderstorms, tomorrow afternoon as these thunderstorms get going. Again, that's southeast Arkansas, western northwest Mississippi, and northern and northeastern Louisiana, kind of the spot we're kind of keeping an eye on. We'll have an eye on that and throughout the day on Sunday, and we'll have some updates for you if we need to right here. Thanks for joining me. Remember, subscribe, like, and follow my social media pages, and you'll be sure to get all those updates as we put them out.